Have you ever met someone who stayed in your mind for weeks or even years? Not because they were the loudest person in the room, not because they were the most attractive, and definitely not because they played mind games. So why do some people become unforgettable, while others are forgotten almost instantly? Psychology has an interesting answer. The people we remember most aren't always the smartest, funniest, or most successful. They're the people who make us feel something. In today's video, you'll discover 7 psychology-based ways to become memorable, without pretending to be someone you're not, without manipulation, and without chasing anyone. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final principle is the one that psychologists believe creates the deepest and longest-lasting impression. Let's begin. 1. Make people feel seen. Imagine talking to someone while they're constantly checking their phone, looking around the room, or waiting for their turn to speak. Now imagine talking to someone who gives you their full attention. They maintain eye contact. They genuinely listen. They ask thoughtful follow-up questions. Which person would you remember? Probably the second one. Psychology tells us that people don't just remember conversations. They remember how those conversations made them feel. When someone feels truly heard, they naturally associate those positive emotions with you. Most people try to become memorable by talking more. Ironically, the people who are remembered most are often the ones who listen best. Real listening isn't waiting for your turn to speak. It's becoming genuinely curious about another person's thoughts. And curiosity creates connection. 2. Be authentically different. Think about the last 10 people you met. Can you remember every one of them? Probably not. Our brains naturally filter out experiences that feel ordinary. But something unique, something authentic, stands out. Notice the word authentic. Not fake, not exaggerated. Authentic. Maybe it's your sense of humor, your calm personality, your optimism, your kindness, or the way you make people feel comfortable. Many people hide what makes them different because they want to fit in. But psychology suggests the opposite. People often remember those who express their genuine personality with confidence. Trying to impress everyone usually makes you blend in. Being comfortable with who you are often makes you stand out. 3. Create positive emotional moments. Here's something fascinating. Most people forget facts, but they remember emotions. Think back to your favorite teacher. There's a good chance you don't remember every lesson they taught. But you probably remember how they encouraged you, or how they made learning enjoyable. The same principle applies to relationships. People are more likely to remember someone who made them laugh, helped them feel confident, or supported them during a difficult moment. This doesn't require grand gestures. Sometimes it's as simple as offering sincere encouragement, giving a thoughtful compliment, or showing genuine kindness when it's least expected. Positive emotional experiences leave lasting mental impressions. And over time, those impressions become memories that are difficult to forget. 4. Leave conversations at their best moment. This may sound surprising. One of the easiest ways to become memorable is knowing when to end a conversation. Many conversations continue long after the most enjoyable part has already passed. The energy fades. The excitement disappears. The interaction becomes forgettable. Instead, leave while the conversation still feels engaging. End on a laugh. End with curiosity. End while the other person is still enjoying your company. Psychologists sometimes refer to this as the importance of the ending experience. People often remember how an interaction ended more vividly than everything in the middle. If your last impression is warm, positive, and enjoyable, people naturally look forward to seeing you again. Transition. So far, we've talked about listening, authenticity, creating positive emotions, and leaving conversations on a high note. But the next 3 principles go even deeper, because they explain why certain people stay in our minds long after they've left the room. And one of them has nothing to do with attractiveness at all. 5. Be consistent. Trust is more memorable than perfection. Imagine 2 people. One is exciting one day and completely distant the next. The other is kind, respectful, and dependable every time you meet them. Who would you trust more? Psychology shows that our brains naturally feel safer around people whose behavior is consistent. When people know what to expect from you, they begin to trust you, and trust creates emotional security. Many people try to become unforgettable by acting mysterious, but in reality, consistency often leaves a stronger and healthier impression than unpredictability. Being reliable isn't boring, it's memorable. 6. Let people discover you over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to reveal everything about themselves in a single conversation. They overshare. They try too hard to impress. And ironically, they leave less to remember. Psychology suggests that curiosity grows when people discover someone naturally over time. Think about your favorite TV series. If every mystery were revealed in the first episode, would you keep watching? Probably not. Relationships work in a similar way. Share your personality honestly, but allow new conversations to uncover new parts of who you are. People value discoveries they make themselves. That sense of discovery keeps you interesting without ever playing games. 7. Make people feel better about themselves. 6 o'clock to 7:10. This final principle may be the most powerful of all. Ask yourself this question: how do people usually feel after spending time with you? More confident? More relaxed? More understood? Or more judged? Psychologists have long observed that people often remember those who consistently make them feel emotionally safe and appreciated. Notice, this isn't about fake compliments. It's about genuine encouragement. Celebrate their progress. Acknowledge their strengths. Show appreciation when it's deserved. When someone leaves a conversation feeling happier, calmer, or more confident than before, your presence becomes associated with those positive emotions. And that's incredibly difficult to forget. Because while people may forget your exact words, they rarely forget how you made them feel. Which of these 7 principles do you think is the most powerful? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you want to understand why some people become emotionally attached so quickly, watch the next video on your screen. It connects perfectly with what you learned today, and it might completely change the way you understand human attraction.